What's up traders, welcome to Failure to Displace. We are currently looking at potentially getting into a long position here on US 500. We have taken London low, coming into Silver Bullet, kind of consolidated underneath, and we're now breaking back into the London range. Daily high above us and yesterday's high above that. We're leaving displacement back into the range. We tap this. I will take that as a long position to first of all fill in. This is the new day opening gap on regular trading hours. I will take that as a fill, but then also targeting the session high, the daily high. And basing on this, we failed to displace below the London session low. We've kind of consolidated. We had some attempts at getting lower, but we've pulled back into the range with displacement. So I'm going to take that as an entry to take out buy side for the day, so the daily high, and potentially go for the previous day high, which was set up in the PM session yesterday. So obviously yesterday afternoon in the PM, well, after the AM session closed over lunch, I mean, it just absolutely rocketed. We've kind of consolidated a little bit, come down, we've taken the low, bit of a Judas swing lower. Now we're pulling up higher. So if we can grab an entry in this fair value gap, we've got a bit of a breaker block here. I'll take that. I've got a fair value gap a little bit higher, but we are getting close there. If you take that fair value gap, it's getting close to the daily high. So that first fair value gap actually has been hit. I haven't adjusted my entry. I am still waiting for this fair value gap. We have got, just as a bit of caution, we've got Powell speaking. I don't know if he's still speaking now or not. That was at 2:30. It's now 3:30 my time. So he was speaking 9:30. Pull back. So that's given us my entry. Hopefully this fair value gap now offers some sort of resistance. This is the 50% of the fair value gap. That is the breaker block that needs to hold. And that's it on MetaTrader. We've just touched one-to-one on MetaTrader, so we've taken 50% off there. Not quite done it on this one. Just about to do it now, so it's a bit laggy compared to MetaTrader. That's one-to-one tapped, so we just saw it there. Don't quite know why TradingView's a little bit behind. So we've taken 50% off. We're leaving 50% running. The stop loss is staying in place. The idea is that we will take a 2-to-1 now, which will take us just above this buy side liquidity. So we are risk free on the trade. Okay, I'm closing. That's close enough. I've closed MetaTrader. So I've taken profits there. One of my flaws, just I can't deal with being teased like that. Price might explode through now and take the 2-to-1, but I have closed out in full. Let's see what happens. Concerned that we're going to put a double top in here, build liquidity and pull back. So I'm going to be so close to just taking profit and it's not going to do it. So I've just closed out. I don't mind missing out on a couple of pips. And there's your 2 to 1. Lovely. So that was very, very nice price action. Again, bias, which is the key to the whole channel, is seeing these failures to displace and pulling back into ranges. And so we learned from the mistake this morning where I did not take an entry from displacements back inside the range. So today, in this afternoon session, I have taken the entry with the displacement back inside the range, and it's paid off. So there we go, guys. That was the trade for this afternoon's Silver Bullet session. I hope you found that useful and insightful. I'm really, really happy with how that turned out. If you did enjoy the video, please leave a like. If you have any questions, please leave them down in the comment section below, or any feedback. It's always great to hear from you guys. And please consider subscribing if you want to see more of this kind of content. Thanks very much. I'll see you again tomorrow, hopefully with some more profitable Silver Bullet setups.